Hi. So let's discuss today about oily skincare. Yeah, many of them were DMing me. Doctor, they are telling only about dry skin. Why have you ignored us? That is oily skin people. Okay, it is not like that. Okay, so oily skin. So I want to ask you one thing. Actually, when we were born, how was our skin? Yeah, we know. When we were born, normally our skin is not having too much of dryness or too much of oiliness, isn't it? And until childhood also it is like that. But when we reach the puberty or adolescence, what is happening at that time? Yeah, dears, there is hormonal changes, and according to this hormonal changes, we will be getting pimples, and then only we will be realizing, oh my god, my skin is becoming oily. For some of them, how they will be realizing, they will be having PCOD problems, hormonal problems and all, and if you're taking any medications, because of the side effect of that medicines also, there is chances to get pimples. Okay, so here I will be telling you the tips how to maintain our oily skin. Yeah, so skin, actually we know, okay, it is the largest sense organ. Okay, so here why we get oily skin? Actually, normal sebum is essential for our skin to look normal. Okay, sebum, actually the sebum secretion makes our skin normal, but if there is excess of sebum secretion, it is resulting in a condition called oily skin. So in this oily skin, what is happening actually? There is a lot of oil is clogging our pores. Okay, and oily skin people tend to have what? Blackhead, whitehead, open pores, etc. Okay, and their pores are enlarged. Because of their pores are enlarged, there is a lot of sebum secretion. It is getting in contact with the environment and it is blocking the pores, and when it is blocking, there is pimples also. This is what happening in the case of oily skin. So what we can do? Yeah, first of all, dears, being an Ayurveda doctor, what I have to tell you is that make sure you are drinking enough water. And other main thing is that you have to go early to bed, early to rise. Please avoid day sleep. If you are keeping on doing day sleep, what is it doing? It is again clogging the pores. And whenever you get pimples, I have seen many of them is having a bad habit. What they will be doing? They will be just pricking these pimples. When you are pricking these pimples, what happens? You are again creating a hole there, isn't it? And that is becoming what? Again you will be running behind the dermatologist and you will be telling, I want something to cover up my skin, but how long? Yeah, these are some of our bad habits that we have to avoid. Okay, then let's check for a routine what to do. Yeah, so you have to wake up early morning. As soon as you wake up, make sure you are drinking enough water. And drink hot water only. Please avoid tea and coffee. If you are keeping on taking tea and coffee, what it is happening? It is again creating trouble. Okay, and make sure your body is flushing out enough toxins from. Yeah, make sure you are having your motion passed. If you have not passed your motion, what I will be telling you is that drink 2 glasses of hot water and always take what type of breakfast. Don't go with sweety, creamy type of breakfast. Take easily digestible breakfast and make sure you are including enough pepper, garlic, ginger in your diet, because these can help to open your pores. Okay, open your pores means it will be helping to clear your toxins, clear your skin. Okay, please avoid the sweet items, okay, and oily fried items and all. If you're going behind that, you will never get a good skin. And here what we have to do? Here we have to do is a cleansing, a toning, a moisturization. Cleansing, yes dears, you are safe to apply powder packs on your face. Yeah, you can apply multani mitti with rose water. And again what you can apply? You can apply sandal powder with besan powder on your face. Along with that, a little turmeric powder also. This can help you. And along with that, another pack what I will be telling is that you can apply almond powder with honey. So I have told you 3 pack, and here comes a 4th pack. That is, along with the neem, you can apply turmeric and apply on your face. So this is coming the cleansing. Then what is toning? We know our face pores are open. So if these pores are open, we know it is not good. So to close the tones, what we will be doing, this close the pores, we will be using a toner. This toner you can apply just rose water. Okay, this rose water you can spray on your face, so it will be helping. Then moisturizing. Yeah dears, one main important thing what I have to tell you is that, dear oily skin people, don't run behind the makeup, because this makeup is again clogging your pores. But here what we can use, in the form of moisturizers, we can use some powders. Okay, that also will be helping you a lot. And make sure these will be, anything you use will be gel based cream and thing like that you will be applying on your face. Okay, not too much of creamy or lotion type, because it is again clogging the pores. And afternoon what you have to do is that, sunscreen also you must apply gel like only. Afternoon what you have to take, afternoon also you have to take light diet. Along with that, make sure you are taking 1 glass of buttermilk. Night what you have to take, light and early dinner, very important. This light and early dinner will be helping you to promote your, increase your digestion, flushing out the toxins and all. So these whole routine you have to follow it correctly, very important. That is powder packs will be helping to you. Churna packs in Ayurveda we will be telling. Okay, so these drinks anyway you have to follow it dears, it can help you a lot. Okay, and before the bath what you can do, before bath you can apply a little cucumber juice, a little potato juice and a little lemon juice. Okay, hoping dears these tips were very helpful for you. But what I will be telling is that, clean your gut. Yeah, clean your gut. If you clean your gut, that is the biggest game changer for your skin. Okay, thank you dears.